Heads up guys, the Enscape 4.1 version is already out. What I love most about this version is the AI Enhancer. What does the AI Enhancer do? Well, if you're a regular Enscape user, you might notice that even though Enscape produces high-quality renders, the Enscape library assets, for example, people assets, can be a bit low on detail if you render too close to the objects. So this is where the AI Enhancer comes in. This is a high-quality screenshot with Enscape. Looks great. Now, when I enhance it using the AI Enhancer, this is how it looks. Check this out. OMG! This is a huge difference in my opinion. I love this feature and I think this resolves a lot of small issues. For more info on the new version, click the link down below.